Hi everyone, welcome to the first lesson. Today's topic is Puj Akeer Kitongjiang. Akeer means letters, or you can also call them cheat. Tongjiang has 33 letters, as you can see, all of them here. Today we'll just focus on 27, and then the rest of the six I'll cover them in the following classes. So these letters are divided into six. There is the first category, Cholakir Deu, Akeer Yao, Akeer Ding, Akeer Tiet, Akeer Mat, Akeer Lodge. I'll repeat. There is Akeer Deu, Akeer Yao, Akeer Ding, Akeer Tiet, Akeer Mat, Akeer Lodge. In subsequent lessons, I'll break down which of these letters belongs to which category. So for today, I'll just show you how they're written and how they're pronounced. Other lessons will talk about the different groupings. So Chedit ke Tongjiang. These are how they're written and pronounced. These are the letters of Tongjiang in uppercase. I'll start. And I'll repeat each letter twice so that you can follow. Please try to follow along so that it's easier to understand. A, A, E, E, I, I, O, O, U, U, Wa, Wa, Ya, Ya, Ba, Ba, Pa, Pa, Ma, Ma, Na, 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 Nga, Nga, Nya, Nya, Ra, Ra, Da, Da, Tha, Tha, Ta, Ta, Tha, Tha, La, La, Ka, Ka, Go, Go, Ho, Ho, Cha, Cha, Ja, Ja, E, O, O. So those are the 27 letters. And then in the next lesson, this is how they're written in small case. I'll just repeat them, but this time I'll do them one at a time. A, E, I, O, U, Wa, Ya, Ba, Pa, Ma, Na, 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 Nga, Nga, Nya, Nya, Ra, Ra, Da, Da, Tha, Tha, Ta, Ta, Tha, Tha, La, La, Ka, Ka, Go, Go, Ho, Ho, Cha, Ja, E, O. Then in this next page, Chit Ketongjiang, and I'll use examples of a letter and a word that has that letter, or a word that has that letter. We'll start with, I'll also just repeat them for simplicity's sake, and I'll go one by one through all the letters and show you some of the words that have that letter. So we'll start with A, Agan, Akal, Amal, Awai. I'll repeat. Agan, Akal, Amal, Awai. Mit, Mit, Beer, Beer, Chin, Chin, Raw, Raw, Wook, Wook, Why, War, Whom, Ur, Why, War, Whom, Ur. Yaj, Yaj, Yin, Yin, Yich, Yich, that's Ya. Ba, Bith, Bath, By, Ben. Again, Bith, Bath, By, Ben. We go to Pa. We have Pitch, Pew, Pyo, Pay. Pitch, Pew, Pyo, Pay. Then we have Ma, Mir, Much, Myth, Mo, Mo, Mir, Much, Myth, Mo. Then we have Na, Non, Nyel, Nyaw, Non, Nyel, Nyaw. Then we have Na, Near, Nyal, Num, Niem, Near, Nyal, Num, Niem. Then we have Nga, Ngwan, Ngwat, Ngar, Ngeb. Ngwan, Ngwat, Ngar, Ngeb. Then we have Nya, Nyin, Nyir, Nyang, Nyom. Nyin, Nyir, Nyang, Nyom. Then we have Ra, Rang, Red, Ring, Raw. Rang, Red, Ring, Raw. Da, Dupuj, Daw, Dan, Dit. Dupuj, Daw, Dan, Dit. Then we have The, Thang, Dhuk, Dhil, Dhier. Thang, Dhuk, Dhil, Dhier. Ta, Tap, Tim, Tiok, Tompin. Tap, Tim, Tiok, Tompin. Tha, Thar, Fial, Tho, Thung, Tar, Fial, Tho, Thung. La, look, lor, lock, liuk, look, lor, lock, liuk. Ka, kow, kur, kut, ku, kow, kur, kut, kow. Ga, gak, gwit, gon, gaj, gak, gwit, gon, gaj, ho, hut, hol, hok, ham, hut, hol, hok, ham. Cha, chue, chuk, cha, chuai, cha, chue, chuk, cha, chuai. Ja, jut, ju, jok, jam, jut, ju, jok, jam. So those are all the letters of Thoŋ except the 6 ones that we will do in another lesson. Thank you very much, and I hope you enjoyed yourself. Bye-bye.